Hey everybody, welcome back to the vlog and Merry Christmas. Hey, today we're going to be talking about 5 gifts for the creative in your life. So number 1, paper. So as a creative, I use paper every single day. It's not just on the computer. And here's a couple of really cool gift ideas. First off, there's these leather binders that you can get for notebook paper that you can pick up pretty much at any store. This one's from Portland Leather Goods in Portland, Oregon. And this thing's a beast. I use this every single day for creative sketches and things of that sort as I'm going through the day. It's basically when I think of something, dream something up, working on a project, I pull out a notebook. This one I have line paper in the front and then another notebook with just blank in the back. I'll leave a link in the description. This is awesome. Another paper gift is field notes. I use these little notebooks. I stuff them in my backpacks, in my bags, and I use these when I'm on site on either a video shoot or whatever. So gift idea number 2 is this. This is the Canon f1.8 50mm lens. Some people call this the Nifty 50 or the Plastic Fantastic. This is a really cool gift idea for not only people that are photographers, or for also people that are creatives that use a DSLR or pack a DSLR in their day bag. The cool thing about this lens is that it's an f1.8, which means it lets plenty of light in. I carry this lens in my bag and I use this for everything from photography to video. It gives you a really nice depth of field. Really blurry background, sharp in the front. And the reason why this is on my list of gifts is that this lens only goes for like $125. So if you're looking for a really cool gift for somebody, this would be a very useful gift for a creative. It is the Canon f1.8 50mm lens. Number 3 on my holiday gift list is tiles. Just because you're a creative and dream up, awesome content and images and video and photo or whatever, for me this has been a lifesaver because I'll run out of the house in the morning and I cannot find my keys. Where did I put those keys? So these little gadgets, this pack has 2 different sizes. The first size you could put on your keys, second size you could put in your wallet, and what it does is it tracks your keys in your wallet, which uses your cell phone signal to find out the last location of where you left your stuff. So this has been a very helpful tool. Alright, gift idea number 4 is this. Stands and mounts. So you can get this stuff online or at Best Buy or different places. There's a bunch of different stands and mounts that you could use to mount cameras and cell phones and whatever you want to mount. First off is the Gorillapod made by Joby. So I use this on my vlogging camera every single day. My camera's usually attached to it and it allows you to wrap it around things. So it's a really cool tool that you can use to capture the content that you're looking for. So next is this cool little handle made by Joby, and this is for your cell phone. So I put my iPhone in this and it helps me hold on to it just a little bit better and a little more secure, a little more steady when I'm trying to use my cell phone to capture content or whatnot. It also has a little trigger on top that's removable that you can click this trigger and then you're able to either take pictures without touching your phone, or you can also start your video on your phone as well with clicking this button. So it's a really cool little handle. Alright, number 5 is something very useful for a creative, and it is straps and pouches. So here's a couple straps and pouches that I use in my personal gear bag. First off is this one that I found on Amazon. It's a little zippered bag with a clear window, so you don't have to dig through a dark bag. You can actually see your hand reaching in and grabbing the thing that you need. This has been working out really good so far, so I wanted to put it on my list because it's been really helpful. This is a strap that I saw another vlogger talk about, and I went and tried them out, and I really like these. These little cable ties here. These cable ties they're red, so they're easy to find. They're not black. You can keep gear together or strap things to your backpack with these, and they work really well. So even though this is it and Christmas is over, keep track of this list because these are great ideas for the creative person in your life or yourself. Things that you could actually use, things that are inexpensive, and things that are just plain out cool. So hey guys, thanks again for watching the vlog. Thanks so much. Leave your comments below and don't forget to subscribe.